So let's say good night to the RS6 for tonight. It's been a great day and night. What a car. So I just realized that the black package is around 650 euros. Oh, I missed the light show, damn. And the black rear view mirrors are just around 150 euros. And I believe it's about 1,000 euros the red calipers were for the ceramic brakes. I kind of forgot. But it's just so mean. And I kind of now know the difference between crayon and Nardo gray. This is for sure Nardo gray. Nardo gray is solid. Crayon is not solid. Crayon has some part of metallic in it. So a Nardo gray RS6 and a crayon 992 Turbo S. Why not? Light show. Why can't I stop playing with these lights? What's wrong with me? I mean, these types of cars are for children like me. People that never grown up. It's like technological overkill and technological masterpiece. Tesla is no masterpiece. This is a masterpiece. These have raised top speed limiter to 305 kilometers per hour. Let's see if we can see the little laser. No, we can't see the laser thing. Why not? Strange. Maybe I have to fire up the lights. So let's put the show on. Okay, yeah, so when you close the... So cool. Anyway, we have some bugs after today's adventure. Not too many, just a few. But I don't know if I've become like a gray convert now. I kind of prefer silver, and instead of white and black, almost as boring as gray. But it seems that everybody loves this Nardo gray. I mean, we should have the lights on. And why does the lights not turn on now? Because I've been playing with the lights too much. I think it is. I think it gets pissed after a while. Anyway, that's annoying. So, I mean, the braking power of these huge massive brakes was just absolutely crazy. see, those are just enormous. And here you can see it's not metallic. I think the surface of these ceramic brakes looks kind of special. It doesn't look like the older ceramic brakes. Kind of black package looks good on this RS6, I would say. I mean, kind of everything looks good, but I wouldn't mind this one with blue and silver details. Why does the light doesn't go on? Anyway, it's like kind of saying goodbye to some kind of girlfriend you like. You cannot